Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mia Bibi and Rasoi. Today we are going to make corn potato cutlets with kaju and sauce. For Hindi recipe, see the before recipe of potatoes cutlets with kaju and sauce. So now I have taken one corn, broken it into two pieces, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 potatoes, and actually I have taken 7, but my daughter wanted one, so one goes out. So we'll make only with 6 potatoes. This potato is for her. Baby takes out the baby potato. Wow. So now we'll close this, then we'll add salt. Okay, I opened it, I added salt, and then I closed it again. On the gas, let 2 whistles come. Once 2 whistles are there, and then depressurizes on its own, open it. See, it's still warm, but to show you all, I'm peeling it. You all can wait for it to cool down and then peel it off. Okay. Once you peel off all the potatoes, you all can break the corn with your hand, but that's quite time consuming. So we'll use a knife. Be careful, or else you all might cut your hand. Okay, after doing that, we'll add salt, green chili which we have chopped, okay, and black pepper powder. Now you can see that this is not that finely ground because this we have made at home, and the freshness is like which we make it at home is much fresher. Now we'll mash it all together using a masher. After we mash it all nicely, we'll make round balls of it like cutlets. Okay, see to it that there are no corners, lines are not there. See, can you all see it? Okay, like this way we'll make all the cutlets of corn and potato, and then in one bowl we'll take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Okay, now we'll mix it by adding little water. We'll mix it slowly. Mix. See to it that there should be no lumps in it. Okay. Mix. And it should not be too thick also. Okay, if you make it too thick, the cutlets won't be crispy, because we'll dip the cutlets in this and then we'll fry it. Okay, so now I'm mixing. My husband is just filming, he's not helping me. Now we have finished mixing. See the consistency, it's so smooth. Now in a pan we'll take oil. So it's for shallow frying. Now the oil is like, I'm checking with my hand. I don't have a temperature thingy, so I'll check with my hand and see it's hot or not. Don't put your hand inside, so you can see the vapor. Now we'll take the cutlets, dip it in nicely so that a thin layer of this corn flour and all-purpose flour mixture gets coated properly on it. Okay, once it's done, take it and put it in the oil. Now in this way we'll do with all the other cutlets. Now I've put 4, and see, when you all don't have space now, just take your spoon and make space for the 5th one. Now in this way I put 5 of them. Now we'll lift them and see if they are brown, and then we'll flip them on the other side. If you are having trouble flipping it, you can always use a tong or anything, to turn it around. Once this is done, we will remove it. See, you can see both the sides are brown, amber brown color, and they are very looking very crispy, and I assure you they will be. So now we'll plate them. Okay, while we are plating them, we'll put the next batch to fry, and then we'll make the Cajun sauce. For these cutlets, we'll make Cajun sauce. For that we require 1.5 cup of mayonnaise, chili powder, garlic powder, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, coriander, the Indian touch to Cajun sauce, and milk. Milk is as per the consistency. Now we'll add all the ingredients. Okay, one by one we'll add everything. Except the coriander. Now we'll mix. Now you can see the consistency is very thick. We are mixing it so that all the lumps or anything are there, they get dissolved. Now see, it's so thick, it's not saucy, right? It's kind of a dip type. So now we'll put milk. Milk we'll add as per our consistency to see, our measurements as to it should be a flowy consistency. Until and unless we get the flowy consistency of the sauce, we'll add milk. I have used 1 cup milk, but if you do not get that consistency, you think it's thick, you can use more. Now we'll add a pinch of salt in it. As per your taste, you can add. Now we'll mix it, and then we'll add more milk. See, in total I'm telling you again, I have used 1 cup, but you all can use as much as you all require to get the proper consistency. And here comes my daughter. She is our next master chef. She wants to cook from now only. What was fallen, I have not taken that. I put it in a separate bowl, and that will go in the dustbin. Now I'm giving her my hand so that it doesn't go down again. Come on, now let me mix. Now I finished. Now I'll put lime. Okay, now the consistency is flowy, so it's proper consistency that I wanted. Now I'll coat the corn and potato cutlets with the spice mix sauce. Coat it properly, So now we are done. Now we'll garnish it with coriander. If you all want, you all can cut onions, some seasoning. Hope you guys like the dish. Now subscribe to our channel if you all are new. Click on the notification bell and on all the notifications so that updates of the recipes.